ngiyaleleni ngihlupheke emhlabeni ngiyahlupheka anginamoto angikhona nokudla isushi bantu bagibela ama-helicopter mina ngikhona ukugibela nilele la vukani ngikhuluma nani vukani lokhu ngiyaphahla angitholi lutho vukani nawo
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. We are trend market the shwapa queen lodume kakhulu ngokwendi content kakhulu kade lapha ku Facebook la enda khona ama funny videos bantu bamthanza ngendlela lesimanga unenqumbi ema followers and she's making a lot of money lapha ku Facebook. Bantu abaningi bayithanza comment yakhe bayasho nje ukuthi hayi inswempu ngecontent uyakwadi futhi kuqabanga ama video laqhaza abantu lahlekisa abantu abaningi nje bamthanza ngendlela lesimanga umakhe but kunema video akhe la wendile lately labonakala khona semathuneni enda ama video emathuneni abantu abaningi abawajabuleli lama video lawo njengoba abantu bayasho ukuthi hayibo ngathi she's taking it too far ke manje. People are even saying ukuthi hayibo sisi siyakuthanda but lolo sowenda manje cha so yaphuma esandleni. It seems like my followers akhe lamaningi awayijabulelanga le content njengoba abantu bayasho ukuthi this content njena it's out of line. Some were even asking ukuthi what is the purpose of this video. Some were saying ukuthi they are disappointed nguye makhe. Some were saying ukuthi this video is boring, out of line. Bayam unfollowisha because what is this ke unangilove siyamuva uthi uyayilahla manje. Abantu abaningi abazange bayijabulele leya content njengoba basho ukuthi landzela amabhadi why I went to content emathuneni. Some were even saying ukuthi yona le video le isitshelani kahle kahle, what are you trying to do, what are you saying to us, what are you saying to us as your followers, because what abantu abaningi sad guys ukuthi bamthanza shaming kumakhe but lama video akhe lawa semathuneni cha ngazothi bantu abawajabuleli neze and akabaphenduli I'm sure uyawafunza ama comments avela tethulele akawafunzi at all because akaphendula umuntu nje she's just going on ngelanga lakhe akanandzaba nje ukuthi bantu bathini upost content makhe aphume ebantwini ngokuthi abantu basala bathini ngale content akahlangani but there are people who are saying ukuthi bona they don't see anything wrong ngale content yamakhe and that she must keep it up. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.